Hello, kids! Let's learn 20 action words. Are you ready? Let's go!
Jump. Jump means go up and down. Come on, let's jump together.
Jumping high. This is so much fun.
Run. Run means move fast with your legs.
Laugh. Laugh means show happiness with sound. Walk. Walk means move slowly, step by step. Clap. Clap means hit your hands together. Let's clap. Sit. Sit means bend your knees and sit down. Dance. Dance means move your body with joy. Come on, dance with me. Cry. Cry means when you feel sad. Eat. Eat means put food in your mouth. Let's eat. Sleep. Sleep means close your eyes and rest. Wave. Wave means move your hand like this. Let's wave hello. Drink. Drink means take water or juice. Let's drink. Write. Write means use a pencil to make letters. Let's write. Stand. Stand means get up straight. Come on, stand up. Throw. Throw means send something away from your hand. Let's throw. Kick. Kick means hit with your foot. Let's kick.
Goal!
Catch. Catch means take something with your hands. Ready? Catch. Push. Push means move something away from you. Let's push. Pull. Pull means bring something towards you. Let's pull. Close. Close means shut something. Let's close.